Derek Alfonso here live at the 2012 Consumer Electronics Show. I'm here with G-Form and we're talking to Thomas, and we're about to do a really cool demonstration. He's got a bowling ball here and a case. Thomas, what are you going to do?
Well, we're going to show how G-Form's RPT technology protects your phones, your devices, and so on. We're a company that has a specialty technology that absorbs impact in a different way. Rather than cushioning, the material reacts to absorb energy.
So the material actually changes when it gets impacted?
Correct. So as soft and flexible as this case is, upon an abrupt impact, the material stiffens momentarily to absorb the shock.
So if I just put it up to you and I punch it,
yeah.
Oh, okay. No, we won't. We won't do that.
I'd rather do it the other way, but yeah.
Oh, okay. No, we won't do that. But
I do have a demonstration.
Okay.
That'll give you an example of what it does. And
so what are we going to do here?
In this case, what we'll do is I'm going to use a competitive material, which is usually either a neoprene or an EVA foam. And again, it's trying to use a cushioning approach to absorbing shock.
Right. So this is just a normal soft case that you might put, you know, your device in.
Sleeve that you would put it in, and it mostly gives it some scratch.
We're going to put M&Ms in there.
It's just a way to show the difference between the two technologies. So
okay.
I'll put some M&Ms in this case, center it up.
Can I eat them when we're done?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, nothing happens to the taste. It's just the format.
Okay.
So if you watch here, we'll take this ball. It's about 3 foot height, down onto a block of concrete. You can see the ball bounces a little bit. Now, that much energy has to go somewhere. And a lot of the energy is going to go, if you look at you can see there's some...
I don't know if I want to eat those.
You don't want to eat those.
Okay.
They won't taste bad, but it's traumatic to see how they look. So now, in the G-Form Extreme sleeve, we're going to take a pack of M&Ms, same thing, center it up in the middle. And now the difference you'll see is because we're not trying to cushion, in fact, the faster the better, our material is going to react to this impact
and spread it out.
Protect the M&Ms. Two
Okay.
things are happening. One is, watch the difference in the bounce. The material reacts, and that absorbs a lot of the energy, number one. Number two, the load spreads from that stiffness and comes down over a broader area.
Okay, so I don't know if I can believe this. Let's see.
If you...
He's like David Copperfield there. But for real, if you watch it again in slow-mo, okay, so we're looking at it here in slow-mo, it's actually slowing down the ball and spreading that energy out over the device.
Because the energy is all used up in the material, there's nowhere left for the energy to go. In typical cushioning foams, it has to slow down, and it only goes to the point where it bottoms out. If there's still energy left, it's going to hit the concrete and bounce back up again. That's why you're not seeing any bouncing.
And so if you fall down here at the show, you're ready?
I'm protected on this side, yes.
Protected on that side. So
yeah.
what can we get these cases for? I mean, phones and what kind of devices?
G-Form has laptop sleeves, 10-inch tablet sleeves. We have 7-inch tablet sleeves, like for the Kindle and so on. We are also launching at this show for delivery in February the new G-Form Extreme iPhone case as well. And this is what it looks like.
Oh, that is really awesome looking.
We take our foam and it goes through a standard shell case, and our G-Form RPT protrudes through the outside to be able to protect it.
So this stuff is really amazing. Take a look at some of the links here on this video. We're actually going to link to some of the videos where they've taken these cases to space. They're applying for a Guinness Book of World Records record for actually taking their case and dropping it from 100,000 feet.
100,000 feet. Yeah.
It took them a long time to find it with a helicopter. Anyway, needless to say, really cool material, really cool cases. CES 2012. I'm Derek Alfonso.